Once your company, once your work permit has been approved, serious. Fine. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Karaoke channel where we live, love and laugh, and thank you so much everyone who subscribed. We've reached 560. I'm so excited! And we've covered various topics about coming to Dubai, getting a job, how to look for a visa, what happens to visa when your visa expires. And today I thought it's wise we should talk about what happens when you get a job. In this video we'll be talking about a residence visa. We have quite a number of different types of residence visa. For example, we have the investor's visa. This is for anyone who's coming to invest in Dubai. We do have the student visa for those who wish to come and study here. And then for this one specifically, we'll be talking about employment visa. This is for the one who's gotten a job. Now you've applied for a residence visa and you wish to stay in Dubai. Well guys, in today's topic, which we're covering a working visa solely for people who are coming to work here in Dubai. The process will take around 30 to 40 working days for you to be legally employed. Congratulations, you've got the job offer letter, you've signed it, you've sent back to your employer who will again send it to the Ministry of Labor for approval. Once it's approved, you and the company will have to sign the agreement, and then that marks the end of step one. So just to enlighten you, the job offer that is just signed, it includes your job description, your basic salary, your benefits. If there's anything that is written in any of the clauses that you don't agree with or you don't understand, please always ask your HR for clarification so that by the end of the day, you will be good with what you've been offered. You send the job offer letter, and now your company will be able to apply for your work permit to the Ministry of Labor. Once this permit is out, your company will now go again and apply for your employment visa. This visa is valid for 60 days. This will give your employer time to be able to complete the other processes. A point to note, guys, is that if you're inside the UAE, you will need to change your visa status from any other visa you're holding to employment entry visa. But if you're coming outside from the UAE, then you will be proceeding to do your medical, which is mandatory for anyone who wants to apply for a residence visa. Don't worry. All these processes will be done by the company's PRO. Well, you've gone for your medical test, the results are out. Now your company will submit this to the Ministry of Labor, and then they will be applying for your labor contract. Once your labor contract is out, that marks the first day that you'll be working for this company. And now the company will go ahead and apply for your health insurance cover. In UAE, all residents are medically covered. Guys, that marks the end of the long process. Now what is remaining is for your visa to be stamped on your passport. Once this is done, approximately 10 days, you will be collecting your Emirates ID from your HR. Once you get the Emirates ID, then you're good to go, because this gives you access to everything from SIM card application, bank account opening, renting a place, name them. You'll need your Emirates ID. Now it's time to work smart and wait for your first salary. Please, if you've done a good job, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed, please remember to hit the notification button for any notification, and also subscribe. See you next time. Kwaheri, ciao bella, adios.